Welcome to our channel. TP-Link Deco M4 extends your Wi-Fi easily using access point mode. This guide shows a quick setup. Step 1. Power on the Deco M4. Plug the TP-Link Deco M4 into a power socket and wait until the LED starts blinking. Step 2. Connect Deco to your router. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your main router's LAN port to the Deco M4. Step 3. Install the TP-Link Deco app. Download the TP-Link Deco app from the Play Store or App Store on your mobile. Step 4. Sign in to your TP-Link ID. Open the app and log in using your TP-Link ID. Create one if you don't have it. Step 5. Start Deco setup. Tap Let's Begin, then select Deco M4 and follow the app instructions. Step 6. Complete initial setup. Finish the basic setup in router mode. This is required before changing modes. Step 7. Open operation mode settings. In the Deco app, go to More Advanced Operation Mode. Step 8. Select Access Point Mode. Choose Access Point Mode and tap Save. Step 9. Wait for Deco to restart. The Deco M4 will reboot automatically. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 10. Setup complete. When the LED turns solid green, your Deco M4 is now working in access point mode. Thanks for watching.